Ang yaman ni Nicole Pardo, guys. Kaya siguro parang okay lang sa kanya, hindi niya naman kailangan ng drag race. Kasi yaman naman na siya.
Yung face of Cebu Drag! Hello sa'yo, Nico!
Suslubuan?
Yes.
Ay my God! Viva Pinsinyor!
This is the vlog of Nicole. Viva Pinsinyor, guys! It's your favorite MILF from the Queen City of the South and the face of Cebu Drag, Nicole Pardo. Welcome back to my channel. Marami tayong ganap for today's video, guys, promise. So, my sisters from Drag Race Philippines are actually here, sila Kiana and Maxi. So, I'm going to meet them in a bit kasi they're going to have their rehearsals today. So, pupuntahan natin sila. After that, who knows what's going to happen. Siguro, we're going to be going out with Kiana and also Maxi later tonight. But before anything, please do not forget to follow me in all of my social media accounts. Tara! We're here. Oh. Hello.
Fresh, nagigay ka diya. Nanay, ano ba? Nanay, charger imong camera. Siya na lagi na camera, oy. Pang dato, lagi ni. Mawalan on. What's up, guys? It's Kiana with a K, and today I am here at Nicole Pardo's vlog. Mag-vlog din ako, pero hindi ganito ka-budget. Cellphone lang ako, guys. Sobrang yaman ni Nicole Pardo, grabe. In Bisaya, social.
Takeover, diba? Takeover na.
Yeah, this is a vlog takeover, so I think mas deserve ko to. Kaysa kay Nicole. Wag akin na nga lang to. Ang yaman ni Nicole Pardo, guys. Kaya siguro parang okay lang sa kanya, hindi niya naman kailangan ng drag race. Kasi yaman naman na siya.
Hindi oh. Gaga ka, hindi oh.
Ay, may ganito din. Masabo. Kailangan ko to.
So, if ever malobat yan, pwedeng i-change to. This is an extra battery.
So, paano siya i-change?
Ganun lang. So, parang ipapress mo lang to dito. Yan siya.
Yawa ka ha. Imo kong gihagit. I am gonna buy this. Actually, Nicole Pardo is so good at speaking.
Thank you!
Kaya nga, huwag ka na mag-drag. Mag-speak ka na lang. Actually, pag nanonood ako ng live ni Nicole Pardo, parang
Ang OA? Yeah, phone lang yun.
I know, but in a way, parang mapapanood ako.
As if naman nanonood si Kiana sa live
Hindi,
ko.
for example, ganyan, pak, nag-scroll ako, ay, gusto ko na makinig, i-click ko na. Alam mo ganon? You're so persuasive.
Hindi siya persuasive.
Ayun sa ba? Gusto ko ka na murag. Makuha ni mo ako ang loob. Kaya na check ka.
Confident ako like to talk to you. Like, I can say hi to a lot of people. Pero I don't know how to keep the conversation going.
And then you just stop. Okay, let's turn this off. Bye-bye. See you later.
Pa-video greet kay Nicole.
Nicole! Yung sa season 2 ba yun? Yung yung face of Cebu Drag! Hello sa'yo, Nico! We're here at 8Flix. Kiana will be making Suslubuwa.
So, this is my first time trying, what do you call this one?
Suslubuwa.
Suslubuan?
Yes.
Oh my God. Pakita mo. We have oil, we have toyo, and we have pig's brain, capsicum, and onion.
Capsicum. Careful kasi mainit.
Oh my God, the ate!
Arte. Ano ang reaction? Oh my God!
Paano yung mga harmony?
With somebody who loves you. Somebody.
5, 6, 7, Viva Pinsinyor!
For the bodyguard tayo today.
Nicole! Pardubic! Miss Jade So. Hey! Sino mas love mo? Jade So or Kat Kat?
For our generation, Jade So. But for the history of like, because the Kat Kat has done so much for our community and for the job community.
That's it. Ang perfect. Sobra. So, nandito kami ngayon sa... Asan tayo?
Pucherong Kinarat.
Pucherong Kinarat.
Kinaraan.
Kinaraan. This is the vlog of Nicole. Nicole.
Wow, vlog take over again.
What the fuck? Ah.
Sabi mo dyan.
Zizi, I'm so excited to meet you tomorrow.
Ah! Gago na ka. You to say hi to the pit senior. Habaraba! Thank you so much, everyone. Pit Senyor! Pit Senyor! Pit Senyor! Pit Senyor! Kitang tanan mag-Pit Senyor!
Viva! Viva! Senyor Santo Niño! Viva! Viva! Viva!
Viva Pit Senyor! Hey guys, we're here at Seda Hotel. Ang fresh.
Hello mga tao.
Hello vlog. Oh, meron na din siyang twins tea.
Hi guys! So, ang pagkain namin ngayon ay si Ate Tu. Alam mo Ate Tu, ngayon ko lang napagtanto, hindi pala ako ang pinakamasarap. Ikaw pala.
How do you feel?
Pressuring is real kasi yung ibang backup ko wala pa dito, yes.
Chef busy.
Welcome to Cebu. This is Sinulog 2025.
Pero may jewels.
Inspired by Kiana yan.
Ay, really?
Ang gamit ko dyan ay Mighty Bar. Gima lang.
Say hello naman tayo sa the teeth of Cebu Drag. Pretty teeth.
Thank you so much, Nicole Pardo. Kay sponsoran man daw ko na Cornea sa akong nose, sa akong chin, sa akong apping. Thank you, ma'am.
Wow, jowa ko nga, hindi nasa sponsoran. Ako yung pinasponsoran. Ay, ito yung shit, Cebu Idol!
Let's go, Pardo.
Hello guys!
Shit, Cebu Idol!
Hindi naman nanalo.
Pero in fairness, ang galing mo. Kahit hindi ako nanood. Pero how was the experience?
It was great. It was my first time.
What drove you?
I think the Sinulog Idol man good. Pwede na ka magbisaya.
Oo.
The Sinulog Idol man good, guys. Dili mo siya pasabot niya ka ng kusog ka mo birit.
Oo.
Kay lahi mo siya genre per night. We have rock, Broadway, Bisaya night. So mailan dyan mo kung asa ka mas maayo. Kung sa
yung
genre ka
strength
maayo.
You won yung yung Star of the Night.
Story of the night ko sa...
Diba? Shit.
Alpha ba?
Alpha ba? Shit.
Vlog dito, vlog dito, vlog dito.
Hayop kayo.
Ganyan. Dapat parang tama siya.
Alam mo, Betty?
Ang model.
Bye. Ingat kayo. Hindi mo kamalihog.
Pilit lagi ka siya dari, oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, ngayon makikita po natin ang lapangan portion dito sa Seda Hotel. Together with La Nina Motors Concept Abbas.
Ang babae
Ang
sa
babae
balete.
sa Balete Drive. Yes.
This is how you eat shrimp.
Ano ang masasabi mo sa iyong kinakain?
Can you speak in English?
How do you say to your food?
FIFA Pit Senor! It's Sinulog and we're here at House of Lechon. Nangyari? Dahil sa'yo, na-stress kami, hayop ka.
Galgalan.
Sorry. Nawalan daw siya ng cellphone.
Ang ending, ako pala yung parang nagnakaw.
We're here at Sugbo Mercado. So if you notice guys, wala akong ending for my Sinulog vlog because after naming pumunta ng Supermercado, we actually went to Crossroads and doon na kami nag-party. And when I say party, we actually partied really, really hard. Ang ending, lasing ang bakla. Moral lesson, I should not drink or party if I did not eat. I know. So that's it for my Sinulog vlog. I hope you like it and please do watch out for my next vlog because it is an unexpected trip to Bantayan with Kiana. Why unexpected? I will explain more on that vlog. If you like this video, you know what to do. Hit that like button, comment, share, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have a new video. I will see you on my next one. I love you. Mwah!
I'm your favorite male from the Queen City of the South. Queen Nicole with her twins rocking the game, no doubt. So get ready to be gagged. I'm the face of Cebu Drag.